Hey there, what's up? Really quickly, do you have an iPhone that you want to unlock so that you can have the freedom to be able to use it with any carrier that you want to use it with? Or do you need to travel overseas and you need your phone unlocked so that you can use it wherever it is that you're traveling to? Well, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your iPhone. Any model iPhone from any carrier. Let's go. So the first thing that happens when you install a SIM card that's from another carrier is that you're going to get this message right here, which means that your phone is locked to that carrier. So what you're going to need is this unlock chip that we have right here. There's going to be a link somewhere in this video or down below in the description where you can click on it so you can get it. You're going to insert this chip into your iPhone. And once it takes you to the white activation screen, press the lock button until the emergency menu appears. And then you're going to hit emergency call. Here, you're going to dial star 5005, star 7672, star 00 pound. Make sure you have that correct and hit the dial button. And then here, you're going to type in the correct ICCID, which you will receive that with the unlock chip. And once you have that fully typed in completely, hit send and then hit accept. Then go ahead and power the phone off, and then once it's off, power it back on. Once the phone turns on, you can go ahead and follow the prompts here once again, and this time it will unlock your iPhone because you put in the correct ICCID and the unlock chip, so your iPhone will now be unlocked to use with any carrier that you wish to use it with.